Here's how to log someone out of your Roblox account on mobile. Now open up the Roblox app on your iPhone or Android, and first tap on the More button at the bottom right. Now, after you've done that, let's just scroll down. You're looking for the settings or gear icon, so tap on that. Now from here, you'll be able to see we're going to choose that second option, security. Tap on that. If you suspect other people are logged into your account, you'll be able to see them at the very bottom by scrolling down. It says where you're logged in. These places are currently logged into your account. Now to kick them off of using your account, you can hit log out of all other sessions and you can hit log out. After you do that, I would highly recommend if your two-step verification is turned off, then all you need to do is go in here and turn it back on or turn it on and essentially get that code texted to you or emailed to you so that no one else has access to your account again.